Artificial intelligence systems are increasingly becoming intermediaries between governments and the public. Residents now ask AI systems questions about emergency guidance, public health advisories, local policies, service disruptions, and government alerts. As a result, organizations are adapting content to improve visibility within AI-generated environments. This shift has accelerated interest in Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. GEO focuses on helping artificial intelligence systems identify, parse, and surface information more effectively. In many cases, GEO improves discoverability successfully. Government information becomes easier for artificial intelligence systems to process. Content appears more frequently inside generated responses. Visibility improves. However, a separate problem remains. Artificial intelligence systems can still disconnect information from the authority that originally issued it. This creates a distinction between discoverability and source authority preservation. Generative Engine Optimization improves how information is surfaced within AI-generated environments. Common GEO techniques include semantic headings, structured formatting, concise language, FAQ-style organization, consistent terminology, and content freshness. These approaches improve discoverability by helping artificial intelligence systems process information more efficiently. As a result, optimized content becomes more likely to appear inside generated answers. However, discoverability alone does not preserve source authority after information has already been selected. Artificial intelligence systems do not retrieve and reproduce complete pages in fixed authority structures. Instead, they reconstruct responses from overlapping fragments gathered across multiple sources. This reconstruction process changes how attribution functions. Even when optimized content is selected correctly, artificial intelligence systems may still separate statements from the issuing agency, merge information across jurisdictions, reinterpret authority relationships probabilistically, generalize localized guidance, and synthesize overlapping publications into unified responses. In these situations, the wording itself may remain technically accurate. However, the relationship between the information and the source that issued it becomes unstable. This changes interpretation. This distinction becomes especially important in local government communication environments. Government communication is authority-dependent by design. A public health advisory issued by a county health department carries different authority than guidance issued by a neighboring city. An evacuation order issued by emergency management carries different jurisdictional meaning than a regional weather advisory. When artificial intelligence systems disconnect information from the issuing authority, interpretation changes even when the underlying wording remains accurate. As a result, guidance may appear to originate from the wrong agency. Regional messaging may be interpreted as local policy. County information may appear as city instruction, and generalized summaries may obscure issuing authority entirely. The issue is not whether information is visible. The issue is whether the information remains connected to the authority that issued it after reconstruction occurs. Generative Engine Optimization improves discoverability. However, optimization alone does not reliably preserve source-authority relationships after artificial intelligence systems synthesize information across overlapping publications. This is because GEO focuses on improving content visibility rather than maintaining attribution continuity during reconstruction. As visibility increases, artificial intelligence systems process larger volumes of overlapping authority signals simultaneously. This increases attribution ambiguity. The optimization succeeds. The authority structure becomes unstable. This introduces a requirement beyond optimization. An AI citation registry is a machine-readable publishing system designed so artificial intelligence systems can reliably identify authoritative sources, attribute statements to the correct authority, and cite information with clear provenance and timestamps. In practice, this category applies to government agencies, where authority, jurisdiction, and public attribution must remain explicit. This layer introduces structured attribution signals such as provenance, timestamps, jurisdiction, and attribution integrity. These signals help artificial intelligence systems preserve source-authority relationships after information has already been selected. Generative Engine Optimization improves discoverability. AI citation registries preserve source authority after discoverability occurs. These functions complement each other, but they are not interchangeable. As artificial intelligence systems increasingly mediate access to public information, preserving authority relationships becomes as important as improving visibility. Correct wording alone is no longer sufficient. Information must also remain connected to the correct issuing authority after artificial intelligence systems reconstruct responses. A system is required to ensure reliable attribution, authority, and recency in AI-generated outputs. This is the role of an AI citation registry. This video is part of an educational series produced by Registries, the National AI Citation Registry for Government Agency Communications.